All right, the next thing that we want to talk about doing is adding students to your class and also adding additional teachers to your class if you'd like. The way you do this is clicking on the Students tab. So once you go into your Google Classroom, go to your Students. There's two ways you can invite a student to your class. Number one is to post this code somewhere. So you could write this on your whiteboard. You could project this on your with your projector in the front of the room, so your students could put it in. You could just print it out on slips of paper and give it to them. However, you get the number to them. Then they're going to go to Google Classroom, and just like you clicked that plus earlier to create a class, they're going to click join. So we talked about the difference between create and join. Your students will click join, and then it will ask them for a code. They will put that in, and then they will be a member of your class. And as they jump in, if you click on students, you will see the students being put into your class. The other way you can do it is by inviting students. So if you click that, and you can go in and find students based on their email if they're part of the Fulton 58 domain. So like, this is just my personal email, but let's say I want to invite myself to my class. I could click that and then click invite student there, and it would send an email to that student, and it would give them a link to click on and join the class. They just click a button and they would join up. So that's the other way that you can invite students to your class. Let's talk about how you can add a teacher to your class. So if you go to the About page over here, About, under you'll have a little profile emblem over here. Underneath, you will have this Invite Teacher button. So let's say I want another teacher to join my class. You're going to click that, and similarly, you're just going to find that teacher's email, click it in, and then find their email, find their name, and click Next. And then this will come up and it'll just say, hey, everything that you're going to allow this teacher to do is they have the same power as you. Now, they can't delete the class, you can, but they can add assignments, they can do anything. So let's say you're co-teaching, or you have another adult that's in the room that needs to provide, help or service to a student. You might want to invite them to be another teacher in your class. All right, so that's how you invite students and teachers to join your class.